So we're here at a shipyard right behind John's Pass, and we're working on her, which is a 60-foot Hatteras. So we're on the Hatteras, and this is my project today on the Hatteras, and then I'm moving over to his 35-foot Silverton to put a fresh water pump in. You can see there's a lot of work to be done on this vessel. That's the very aft deck. And we're high and dry right now, so we're in a shipyard. But you can see these are 32 volt, 2,000 a gallon an hour bilge pumps. So 8,000 gallons per hour that he'll be able to pump. Just show you a little bit of the shipyard. And it's offload for fishermen too. You can see the refrigerated coolers. But this is the Hatteras. She's about 60 feet. We'll go up to the fly bridge. So now we're on the fly bridge. Got a tender there, a couple of crab traps in there. The Boston whaler, you can cut it in half and it won't sink. It's kind of a beautiful day in Tampa Bay. It's gonna rain later today. They just put that yellow hull trawler in. That's a board-on-board boat. The guy lives aboard, I know him. I don't know what that blue boat is. It looks like a push boat or a lifeboat. Alright, so this is the fly. We'll go back down. That's where we're going back down. Now we'll go inside the cabin. So you can see both sides. This is left or port, starboard. This is the aft cabin. Line ice maker, static evaporators, and the inside helm. And you can see the distribution panel, and you can see the 32 volts. Side door, starboard, or yeah, starboard side door. Really old electronics. Now we walk down these steps into the galley. See, pretty outdated galley. Domestic refrigerator. Could you imagine getting that refrigerator down these stairs? No thank you. Galley dinette, and then this is the forward V-berth. I suspect I'll be working on his heads. Then you've got these 3 stairs down, and on each side is a motor room. I know the light is low, but I don't have any power right now. She is high and dry. You can see the air conditioning systems over there. I replaced 2 of the compressors so far. I got 1 more to replace. So, oh, that felt good. So we're moving forward. And this is a midship bunkhouse. Still moving forward. The headroom. Moving forward into the captain's quarters. Another head with a pass-through. Most of these Hatteras use galley made. And you can see in the main bunkhouse there's 2 bunks. A lot of stuff going on this boat. Looking aft. And that's the very aft deck looking out the window. This is Wasserman Marine Services. If I can help you in any way, whether it's air conditioning, refrigeration, head systems, pretty much every system on board but radar and propulsion, just give me a call. I am certified in pretty much every aspect of head systems, every aspect of refrigeration, from folding plates to static evaporators to ice makers. So just give us a call here at Wasserman Marine Services or Dockside Service. Our phone number here is 727-5